Hello, I'm Gavin Sykes from STB, and today we're looking at the conversion for BeoVision Eclipse 55 and 65, converting Generation 1 to the very latest panel and the very latest software. So let's get into this now. You will recognise Generation 1 because it will look like this. There are verticals on the rear cabinet. If your Eclipse does not look the same as this, then it is not a Generation 1 and we can't convert it at this stage. Remove the verticals that hold the original panel in place. Install the new plate. The new light guide supplied with the kit fixes over the IR sensor under the screen. Install the new cables which have been supplied into the HDMI and the LAN port within Eclipse. Once the plastic parts are installed in the top of Eclipse and the cables are through, you can now mount the new panel from LG. There are 4 mounting screws on the rear of the new screen. Mount the upper two to about 50% to allow you to slot the TV onto the new mounting bracket. Once the TV is on the mounting bracket, attach the second pair of screws and tighten everything up. Connect the cables. The serial number of your BeoVision Eclipse is on the front of Eclipse behind the speaker fret. The software is available from your Bang & Olufsen dealer or from STB brackets and must be installed to give you the latest functionality. You can install the adapter yourself or you can use your Bang & Olufsen dealer. Your Beo Remote 1 will still function and the My buttons, if you use them, will also operate. If you have any questions about upgrading to the very latest panel, contact STB via email or give us a call. Thank you.